Hi, my name's Tom Nallen. Here we go. We're going to talk about some more of my favorite tools. These are pliers, and we're going to talk about round nose, needle nose. Is a little broader, a flatter jaw, and needle nose pliers, and then diagonal cutters for cutting music wire. We use these around the house. We also use these for bending music wire in modeling, and that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to demonstrate these tools bending a figure 8 hook, or what some people call a reverse S hook. Regardless, this style of hook is meant to keep rubber motors from bunching up in the front of the airplane and from riding up over the prop hook, especially with the long and larger rubber motor. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to bend this figure 8 hook. Hope it comes out on this video. We'll give it a shot. So you take your round nose pliers, just put right about there. This is 30 thousandths wire. We make our first loop, draw it fairly closed, then we come in the back side here. One arm of the needle nose pliers goes through the loop, and we come around the other side. We make the second loop of the figure 8, and then we keep coming right around, back down through the center of the hook. Now we set these pliers aside. We grasp our needle nose with the slightly longer and broader jaw. Grasp around the center of the hook, bend it down, and there's a figure 8 hook. Hi, we're back. I'm going to show you the prop shaft that we just bent, loaded into this nose plug and prop. You can see the figure 8 hook right there. You can see the brass tubing bushing, I hope you can see it anyway. One thing I'll call out is I'm using a Henry Struck tube freewheeler. You can see a smaller tube running inside of a larger tube. That's 16th OD running inside of 16th ID brass tubing. I think that's more like 3/32 OD. And I bent this winding hook on the front of the spinner using these round nose pliers, again, as I had used earlier with the figure 8. It's a little finicky to do, but it works really well, and you can wind with the spinner. You don't have to take the prop off to wind. No handling of the rubber motor. So that's a nice front end, and another use for the round nose pliers. Now I'm going to show you how to load this motor onto the prop hook. The figure 8 prop hook, you take, this is a braided 2-loop 1/8 motor, enter the open loop, figure 8, pull the strands through into the closed loop, bring the strand that's closest to the nose block back around the rear of the prop shaft and through the open loop in the hook, and then you're loaded. And this will prevent the motor from riding up on the prop shaft. So that's it. We talked today about pliers, round nose, needle nose, diagonal pliers for cutting music wire. Thank you for watching.